She sustains all things. How we treat her shapes the future of a manufacturing company. Can it truly be sustainable? At QIE Group, we firmly believe a factory's real value is not just capacity or efficiency, but also respect and responsibility for the environment, that we put green principles into every part of production and project delivery. From choosing energy-efficient equipment, to optimizing processes to save energy, to maximizing energy use through smart system integration, green is part of everything we do. We deliver EPC projects that run reliably, produce efficiently, and meet high safety and environmental standards. On the path to sustainability, we explore new possibilities.